Whether it's beef cattle or dairy cattle, all cattle need water. Ritchie brings you fresh water on demand. Ritchie, proud to be a partner to the American cattlemen since 1921.
Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Ritchie Watering Systems. The weekly USDA pork cutout value is currently around $77 per hundredweight, improving $7 in early 2016. Over the next few weeks, the seasonal trends suggest the pork cutout is relatively steady to higher, and that's good news for cattle producers. CattleFax expects the cattle markets to trade in a seasonal pattern in 2016. Relative to the fed cattle market, that means prices should rally to highs around April 1st. Along those lines, steady to stronger pork prices should benefit a seasonal rally in the fed cattle market. The seasonal price relationship between beef and pork can determine a practical range for the fed cattle market spring highs. The premium for beef over pork deteriorated in recent weeks, with declining beef and increasing pork prices. The ratio is expected to find support over the next few weeks around 2.8 before improving some in April and May. The spring 2016 high for the ratio is likely around 3. This is lower than the new highs reached in 2015 based on extremely tight beef production, record large pork production, and setbacks in meat and poultry exports. With April lean hog futures prices at $75 per hundredweight today, the pork cutout is likely to be $80 to $85 during the fed cattle market highs. Assuming beef prices are 3 times more expensive than pork at that time, the USDA composite box beef cutout could push into the 240s by late winter. At that time, fed cattle values are typically 56 to 57% of the beef cutout. Based on that percentage, and adding $10 for the hide and offal value, fed cattle prices could reach a late winter high in the mid to upper 140s. This is not the only data suggesting this range for the fed cattle price highs. Producers should take confidence in this and other data pointing to generally higher fed cattle values through the winter. A higher fed cattle market into spring should also support additional rallies in the feeder cattle and calf markets at the same period. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.CattleFax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.